The Las Vegas Sphere, also known as the MSG Sphere, is an entertainment venue situated in the center of Las Vegas. Unveiled in 2023, this impressive structure is a creation by Madison Square Garden Company, aiming to transform the concert and live event experience with state-of-the-art technology and engineering. In this video, we will be looking at how the Las Vegas Sphere actually works, examining its design, construction, technology, and impact on the entertainment industry. Get comfortable as we get started. Design and construction. Architectural vision. The MSG Sphere was conceived by James L. Dolan, the executive chairman and CEO of Madison Square Garden Company, with the goal of creating a venue that provides an unmatched immersive experience. This project had the goal of revolutionizing live entertainment and giving audiences a one-of-a-kind sensory experience. The design was created by Populous, a well-known architectural firm that works on major sports and entertainment venues around the world. The most notable characteristic of the structure is its spherical shape, which is quite different from the usual rectangular or dome-shaped arenas. This distinct shape serves a vital purpose in enhancing the venue's immersive capabilities, rather than being solely for visual appeal. The Sphere's design allows for a complete 360-degree experience, immersing the audience with enhanced sound and visual effects. The venue is equipped with state-of-the-art audio and visual technologies, including a large LED display system that offers high-definition visuals from every seat in the house. In addition, the spherical design enhances acoustics, guaranteeing exceptional sound quality throughout the venue. The incredible structure is built to accommodate a variety of events, including concerts, theatrical performances, and immersive multimedia experiences. The MSG Sphere is a prime example of cutting-edge design and technological progress, establishing a fresh benchmark for live entertainment spaces and delivering unforgettable experiences for audiences. Engineering challenges. Building the MSG Sphere presented numerous engineering obstacles that needed to be overcome. The structure's framework is made up of a lattice of steel beams, creating a geodesic dome-like pattern that offers both strength and flexibility. This design is specifically engineered to withstand the seismic activity that is common in the Las Vegas area. In addition, accurate calculations were required to optimize the acoustics and sight lines for the audience, guaranteeing an immersive experience from every seat in the venue. The steel lattice design both supports the spherical shape and improves the building's strength and stability. The MSG Sphere is designed with advanced engineering and meticulous attention to detail, resulting in exceptional sound and visuals. It is a pioneering achievement in modern architecture and live entertainment venues. Advanced materials. The exterior of the Sphere features a state-of-the-art LED screen that covers over 150,000 square feet, making it the world's largest of its kind. This remarkable screen has the ability to display clear and easy-to-comprehend visuals that can be seen from a great distance, turning the Sphere into a massive digital canvas. The Sphere has an advanced LED display inside that surrounds the audience, providing a fully immersive 360-degree viewing experience. The interior screen creates an immersive environment that captivates spectators and keeps them engaged with its visually stunning display. This ambitious project became a reality thanks to the use of cutting-edge materials and technology. Lightweight composites played a crucial role in building the large structure while maintaining its durability and performance. The Sphere's stunning visual effects were made possible by the efficient and clear LED technology. The Sphere represents a remarkable fusion of advanced materials and technology, redefining architectural and entertainment experiences. It stands as a symbol of modern design and showcases the incredible possibilities that can be achieved through engineering and digital media. Technological innovations. The audio system of the MSG Sphere is a remarkable innovation. Conventional venues utilize a system of speakers strategically positioned throughout the stage and audience area. On the other hand, the Sphere uses an innovative system called beamforming. This technology enables precise sound direction to various areas of the venue, eliminating the need for multiple speakers. Everyone, no matter where they are, can enjoy a clear and consistent audio experience. The audio system of the Sphere also includes spatial audio technology, allowing for a three-dimensional sound experience. This technology improves the realism of the experience, creating a sense that the sound is coming from specific directions and distances, which adds depth and immersion to performances. The visual capabilities of the MSG Sphere are truly remarkable. The interior LED display has an impressive resolution of 19,000 by 13,500 pixels, offering an exceptional level of detail that exceeds even the most advanced cinema screens. The high-quality resolution and 360-degree coverage creates visuals that are incredibly detailed and immersive, transporting the audience to different worlds. The Sphere's visual system can display 3D content without the need for special glasses in a way that is easy to understand. This is accomplished by utilizing cutting-edge LED technology and carefully managing the way light is emitted. The outcome is a 3D viewing experience that feels more natural and comfortable, enhancing the overall immersion. The MSG Sphere is equipped with an advanced environmental control system to ensure the comfort of the audience. This system has the ability to regulate temperature, humidity, and scent in order to create a multi-sensory experience. For instance, during a performance set in a tropical rainforest, this system can adjust humidity levels and release scents that are related to the rainforest, making the experience even more immersive. Connectivity is an essential aspect of any entertainment venue in today's digital age. The MSG Sphere is designed to provide seamless connectivity with high-speed Wi-Fi and 5G throughout the venue. This enables the smooth incorporation of interactive elements into performances, including augmented reality or AR experiences and live audience involvement. The Sphere also includes a sophisticated data analytics system that gathers and examines data on audience behavior. This data can be utilized to customize performances according to audience preferences, resulting in a more individualized experience. Impact on the entertainment industry. The MSG Sphere is set to revolutionize the live event experience. Its technological advancements enable a high level of immersion and interactivity that was not possible before. This has the potential to appeal to a broader spectrum of artists and performers who want to explore new possibilities in their work. The Sphere's features also introduce fresh opportunities for various kinds of events. The venue is capable of hosting a variety of events, including concerts, live performances, immersive film screenings, virtual reality experiences, and corporate events that make use of its advanced technology. The MSG Sphere has had a notable economic impact on Las Vegas, both during its construction and ongoing operation. The project has generated numerous job opportunities throughout its construction phase and continues to offer employment in various sectors, including event management, hospitality, and technology. The Sphere is anticipated to enhance tourism in Las Vegas, drawing visitors from all over the globe who are excited to enjoy its distinctive attractions. As a result, local businesses such as hotels, restaurants, and retail establishments will benefit. The MSG Sphere is not only a technological marvel, but it is also designed with sustainability in mind. The venue utilizes energy-efficient systems and renewable energy resources to reduce its impact on the environment. For instance, the brightness of the exterior LED screen can be automatically adjusted according to the surrounding light levels, which helps to save energy. The environmental control system of the Sphere utilizes cutting-edge HVAC technology to ensure energy efficiency without compromising on comfort. In addition, the venue is built using sustainable materials and practices, which helped minimize its environmental impact. Other cities around the world may be inspired to undertake similar projects after witnessing the success of the MSG Sphere in Las Vegas. The Madison Square Garden Company has already revealed their plans to build more Sphere venues in various locations, including London. Further developments will expand upon the innovations of the original Sphere, integrating new technologies and design elements to further advance immersive entertainment. The Las Vegas Sphere is a major advancement in the realm of live entertainment. Its design is innovative, incorporating cutting-edge technology and a strong commitment to sustainability. This combination makes it a true game-changer. The Sphere aims to attract a wide variety of performers and audiences, pushing the boundaries of what can be achieved in live events. The MSG Sphere will continue to lead the entertainment industry with its cutting-edge technology, setting new standards for years to come. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content like this. Do you think this kind of immersive experience will become more common in the future? And if you could create any display for the Sphere, what would it be? Make sure to drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.